Hello. Now I am going to explain about the 3D options in the AutoCAD. So see here. So in order to select 3D options, we have to go to the settings and select 3D basics. You know, 3D basics, and the options will appear like this in the menu bar. Options will appear like this in the menu bar. So in order to view the screen in 3D view, we have to use this view cube. This is called view cube, that can be seen here in visualize. This first one, view cube, in view one. This is the view cube. It will appear and disappear here. If we click on this is called a navigation bar. It will appear and disappear like this, navigation bar. And UCS, this is the universal coordinate system. So we can click on this orbit tool and rotate the object like this. Rotate the object like this. Okay. So first option is click on this. You can see the object like this, or we can click on the view cube. Here the object will appear like this. So first we have to I will explain about the extrude option. Extrude option. First one, ext, enter. Click on the first one, rectangle. I will draw a rectangle. Rectangle, rec, enter. So draw a rectangle. So I have drawn a rectangle. So the rectangle can be seen like this in isometric view. If we click on the top of the view cube, it can be seen in 2D view. In 2D view. So I want to see it in isometric view. So that for that I am clicking on the corner. Now I am explaining about the extrude option. So I have drawn this rectangle here. So in order to see, first type extrude, or you can select here. So type extrude, ext, enter. Click on the object, enter, and it will appear like this. So if the mouse is moved towards upside, the height will increase like this. So we have to select the height by clicking on the with mouse, or by entering the height. I will enter height of 5. Here we can see in blue box. I will enter height of 5. Okay, the object height has increased. We can rotate in 3D view like this. 3D view like this. So this 3D view can be seen with many views. The views can appear here. First one, conceptual. It will appear like silver box. The default type is 2D wireframe. This one appear like a wire. Wire has arranged like wire arrangement. The third one is hidden. Hidden means it can be seen like a black box. The fourth one is realistic. We can add colors in realistic. I will say afterwards. And last one, X-ray. It can be appear like a transparent box. Appear like a transparent box. Transparent box. So these are the options for visualizing screen. See here, the extrude will have two modes. First one, this is solid mode. I will select another mode. It can be seen here, ext, enter. The mode will appear in the bracket mode. Now if we click on the mode, it will show 2. I will type extrude ext here, ext, enter, mode. Clicking on the mode, we can see two options, solid and surface. Solid means it will appear like this. The rectangle will extrude like this. Surface means I will draw another rectangle and show you. I am drawing another rectangle in that surface. ext, I will select mode of mode surface. And here it has asked extrude, select the objects to extrude. I am selecting this object, enter, and it will extrude like this because I have selected surface option. Extrude like this. So it has extruded like this. Now that is the difference between the solid and surface. So in conceptual view, it will appear like this. In 2D wireframe view, solid will appear like this, surface will appear like this. In hidden view it will appear like this. In realistic view it will appear like this. In X-ray view it will appear like this. Solid and surface will appear like this. Okay. The next action is revolve. I will show. Revolve is used for drawing solids of revolution objects. That is mean cone, cylinder, sphere. You know? First we have, for drawing a cylinder we have to draw a rectangle. Click a rectangle like this. So then option is revolve. It will appear here and we can enter REV. Command is REV, enter, and select the object to revolve. Mode, I am selecting mode of solid. Click on this. Then click on the object, enter, and click on the axis line about which we have to revolve. Click on here, click here. See, for revolve option. So REV, enter, click on mode, solid. Next, here it is asked to select the objects to revolve. Select on the object, enter. Then we have to select the axis. So we have to revolve these three lines about this line. So I am selecting the axis as this line. So I will click on two ends of the axis, here and here. So it will start revolving, generating the object by rotating like this. So how much angle we have to rotate, that can be entered here. Here specify angle of revolution or can be clicked by mouse. So I am selecting here 360, enter. So it formed 360 degrees object. So it formed a rectangle. Okay, rectangle. This formed a cylinder. Formed a cylinder. And I am going to draw a cone. See, in order to draw a cone, we have to revolve triangle like this. Right angle triangle. This one. Okay. So next join this object. Join this line. Join. Enter. Next revolve. I will revolve about this axis. These three lines I will revolve about this axis. Okay. Next REV. Enter. Click on the object. Enter. Click on the axis starting point. This one is the axis 1, 2, and the object starts to revolve like this. Generate like this. Object starts to generate like this. Okay. I will enter angle of 360. Enter. And a cone has formed. See here. A cone has formed. This is the angle of revolution. Now I will draw sphere. How means sphere is generated by rotating a semicircle. So I will draw semicircle and line. The center of the axis not shown. It has formed a 3D. L, enter. So next TR, double enter. Remove this. Enter and join. JOIN, join. Click on this. Enter. See, the revolve option will have two modes like extrude. Revolve, enter. Here mode we can see mode solid and surface. Surface means only surface will revolve. So I am selecting solid, enter. Select objects to revolve, this one, enter. So axis is this one, diameter is the axis. Click on here, and it will start generating. Okay, it start generating like this. So I am entering the angle of 360, enter. So it's generated like this. This is the revolve option for sphere. See, I will draw using now mode of. Now I will draw using mode of surface. draw an A line. Next, select this line, TR, double enter, trimming. Next, join JOIN, C. See here, revolve, enter. I am drawing using solid mode. I will draw about the 270 degrees. See here, I will draw 180 degrees. I will draw 180, enter. So how it is appeared? Like a box by using solid mode. Now we will draw using surface mode. C, enter. Click on this. C, enter. L, enter. Here, double it. Next, join. Next, revolve, REV. I will select the mode surface. See the difference between solid and surface. Mode surface. Click on this. Select object to revolve. Enter. Next axis. I will draw 180. Angle of 180. See the difference between solid and surface. See, it is the surface. See, it will appearing like a inside hollow. It has appeared inside hollow. It has filled inside. See here.